The United States Marine Corps, USMC, is beginning to field the new Mk13 Mod 7 sniper rifle to all its units. The new sniper rifle has a bolt-action, stainless steel match-grade barrel, dual-locking lugs, an extended free-float rail system which can receive numerous enhancing gadgets and a folding stock. Furthermore, the rifle will be equipped with the Nightforce Advanced Tactical Riflescope. The scope utilizes a Mk13 reticle, which enables for rapid and efficient wind gauging and target acquisition. The Mk13 uses the .300 Winchester Magnum, also known as Win Mag round. It is capable of hitting targets with precision at over 1,000 yards. The different iterations of the M40 that were in service until now lack that ability. Troops coming back from deployment were complaining that they lacked the ability to engage targets at long distances. And in mountainous Afghanistan, contact distances are bound to be long. Working on the feedback, the USMC acknowledged that there was a capability gap. After much deliberation and testing, the Marine leadership announced that it would be replacing the M40 sniper rifle, which had been in service since the Vietnam War, with the new version of the Mk13. The Mk13 gives Marine snipers an additional 300 meters of range. At the time, Chief Warrant Officer 3 Tony Palskill, the battalion gunner for Infantry Training Battalion, had said, the .300 Winchester Magnum round will perform better than the current 7.62 NATO ammo in flight, increasing the Marine sniper's first round probability of a hit. This upgrade is an incredible win and will allow snipers to engage targets at greater distances.
It's important that these Marines know how to effectively employ these machine guns on mounted vehicles.
According to Barbara Hamby, a public affairs officer with the Marine Corps Systems Command, headquartered in Quantico, Virginia, based on the approved fielding plan, the Mk13 Mod 7 is being fielded to units to include infantry and reconnaissance battalions and scout sniper schoolhouses. Concerning the Nightforce optic, Sergeant Randy Robles, an instructor at the Quantico Scout Sniper School, in Quantico, Virginia, said, the new day optic allows for positive identification of enemies at greater distances, and it has a grid-style reticle that allows for rapid re-engagement without having to dial adjustments or hold without a reference point. He added that the new rifle will increase our lethality and be able to conceal our location because we are creating a buffer between us and the enemy.
And it's 19.5.
Yeah.
The 1st Marine Expeditionary Force, MEF, has been the first to receive in mass numbers the new rifle. But it isn't the first unit to use the Mk13 Mod 7. Marine Special Operation Command, MARSOC, has already been fielding the rifle. Rifles are scheduled to be distributed throughout 2019. The FY 2018 defense budget allocated $4.2 million for 356 Mk13s.
Here's your brief. 10 minutes, start measuring up now. Put on your gear, listen to the brief. Feet. If you're right here, between my feet, you're caught. Top sound, loud.
That's a lot of it too. There's the 300.
Grab what you need for this event.
How many rounds we get here?
Before, the sniper test improved the ghillie setting sniper qualified soldiers from across the Army gathered from November 5th through November 8th to conduct the visual testing portion of the benchtop evaluation for the improved ghillie system, or IGS. The visual testing is one of many crucial components required to roll out the IGS, as the Army aims to update its current flame-resistant ghillie system, which all snipers are currently provided, but rarely use operationally. Snipers from Special Forces, Ranger regiments and conventional forces provided their technical expertise to test the camouflage's effectiveness. As part of the exercise, some snipers wore the proposed IGS models to conceal themselves in woodland and desert environments while the other snipers worked to locate the hidden snipers from distances as far as 200 meters and as close as 10 meters. Staff Sergeant Ricky Labister, another tester and sniper section team leader with 1st Battalion, 160th Infantry Regiment of the California National Guard, said the ghillie suit is one of the most important pieces in a sniper's arsenal. Ghillie suits provide snipers that edge and flexibility to maintain a concealed position, which is partial to our trade, he said. A sniper's mission dictates that he remains concealed in order to be successful. Anytime we can improve our survivability, it is very welcomed.